so hungry. What should I do now? Let's check out the food street. Wow! That fried chicken looks super yummy, but I don't have any money.
The kitten stole the chicken and ran away.
Hello, police. A white cat has stolen from my shop. Hurry up.
Gotcha, white cat. You're arrested.
The kitten has been apprehended by the police and is now in jail.
I didn't do anything wrong. Let me go. I was just hungry.
Oh no, the kitten was tormented in jail. The police forced the kitten to do all the work in jail without mercy.
I'm exhausted. I just can't do any more work. Oh wow! There's a tunnel down here. I finally got out of jail. Thank God.
The kitten got out of jail, but it had no home and no money. The kitten died in front of someone's house.
Oh no, this little kitten is so adorable.
An old woman took the kitten to her home, and now both of them are very happy together. But there are so many kittens out there who die somewhere while searching for food. Please be kind and feed them.